Hey there YouTube, I'm Joe, you're watching Ink&Iron, and I want to just give you a quick tip that I learned from Texas Tool Crib, link in the description, but I just wanted to pass it on to my own audience in case we have sort of disparate audiences and viewership. So this is a Leatherman Style CS. This is a scissors based mini multi-tool, and I just want to show you how to open the jaws to resharpen your scissors. Now it's not going to be an issue right away, but as you have these for years and years, the scissors will eventually dull. So how do we get them open? Well, the key here is going to be these little springs that are nested into the handle. You can see that spring action, and there is one on both sides. So what we need is a screwdriver, and yes, you need a metal implement. Trust me, I tried this with a plastic like spudging tool and it just wouldn't cut it. So what you're going to do is get it in this gap here, right? And then I like to start it by just making a cutting motion with the scissors. That starts to get it down in there. And basically we're going to try and shove this into the handle. So let's see if I can do it here. Hopefully I can do it around the camera. There we go. Really got to shove it in there. Don't be afraid, you're not going to hurt this metal. Whoa. May hurt your vinyl backdrop though. Okay, so we can see those have shifted a little bit, and now we're just going to make sure these don't collapse, and we're going to force them open, and boom, there we go. And that is enough space for you to get in there with, say, like this is a Spyderco ceramic stone. You can lay them open and sharpen them up like that, or if you got nothing else, maybe an old little nail file, and just hit it that way. And then when you're done, you just squeeze them back together, and they go back to springing and acting like normal Leatherman CS scissors. Like I said, this will not work on the Micra, and I just want to put that out there because I know my friend Gabe is getting a Micra soon, and I just learned this trick and was wondering if it would also work on that little scissors multi-tool, and apparently it doesn't. So I will update you guys and let you know if it turns out it does work on that, but as far as I know, just for the Leatherman Style CS. Alright, that's all I've got for you today. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I do knives, pens, I've done notebook stuff, I have fountain pens and other gear, multi-tools. So if you like that kind of thing, please subscribe, hit the bell to get my notifications when I upload new stuff. And if you want to support the channel, check out Patreon. It is free to join and you get bonus content. Alright, anyway, I've been Joe and you've been watching Ink&Iron, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.